Discipline and etiquette are the final characters of knowledge and wisdom. Discipline and etiquette are the final characters of knowledge and wisdom. A king is only invited to rule in his kingdom. One of the greatest actions, deeds, and sacrifices of our leaders are called martyrdom, who struggled and fought for Indians' freedom. A warm good morning to my respected fathers, brother, and dear friends. I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart on this national reference, where we celebrate the country's 73rd Independence Day today. Today we have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indian citizens, and it has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when India got freedom from the British rule, clutches, hindrances and restrictions. After so many years of hard struggle by our great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year to commemorate the first day of the freedom of India, as well as we remember the sacrifices of our great leaders who sacrificed their lives just for the purpose of getting freedom of India. India got independence on 15th of August 1947. After getting independence, we got fundamental rights and duties in our own nation and motherland as well. We should feel proud and admire and appreciate that we have been born in the land of freedom, the independence, the liberty. As we see in the history that reveals everything, how our ancestors and forefathers, they struggled and worked hard under the clutches and rules of the Britishers. We can't imagine by sitting or standing here how hard it was for India to get independence from the British rule. It took sacrifices of lives of many great soldiers and freedom fighters of India and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. One of the Indian soldiers, Mangal Pandey by name, he was the one who stood first and raised his voice against Britishers just for the purpose of getting freedom of India. And on the other hand, our national father Mahatma Gandhi, he really played a vital role in his life by means of introducing the values and features of non-violence and satyagraha. And he was the one who stood for truth and justice. He did it, showed it, and performed it, what he said so in his life. How can we forget some of our great leaders and freedom fighters of India who really struggled and worked hard for the freedom of India, such as Khudiram Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and so on. They really did the task and duties what they were supposed to do in their lives. After independence, our country developed very fast in the field of education, technology, finance, sports, and various other fields which were almost impossible before freedom. Now we have full rights to choose our government and enjoy the largest democracy in our country as well as in the world. Being the responsible citizens of India, we should be ever ready to accept any emergency condition that takes place in our country. Let's never blame anyone in lives. Good people will give us happiness, bad people will give us experience, the worst people will give us lessons, and the best people will give us memories. Months are different in a year, but the month of August is special. Months are different in a year, but the month of August is special. Days are different in a week, but first day is special, that is today. The citizens of India are many, but each one of us are special. पृथ्वी सूरज चांद तारे कितने प्यारे, पृथ्वी सूरज चांद तारे कितने प्यारे, हमारे वीर सैनिक हुए देश के लिए प्राणों के न्यौछारे. It is needless to say the tricolor national flag, as it is known to all, but still I would like to highlight some of the qualities, features, and benefits of it, which is hoisted in our midst and swinging along with the good features of the nature, the trees, the flowers, the branches. The saffron stands for courage, determination, and the spirit of renunciation. The white stands for peace and purity, and the green stands for faith and fertility. The great soldiers and leaders of our country, they simply left their houses, their wives, children, and went ahead to fight against the Britishers just for the purpose of getting freedom of India. Let's be proud and appreciate that their great hard work, which they did in their lives, just for the freedom of India. रात की लंबी क्यों ना हो, सुबह हो ही जाती है. रात की लंबी क्यों ना हो, सुबह हो ही जाती है. अंग्रेजों के गुलाम एवं शासन कितने भी कठोर क्यों ना हो, हमारे वीर सैनिकों एवं नेताओं के कुर्बान होते ही आजादी मिल ही जाती है. जिंदगी फूलों की सेज नहीं, कांटों का ताज है. सजाओ संवारो कीचड़ों से नहीं बल्कि अच्छे आचरण से. Jai Hind. Thank you one and all.